Hello viewers, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this particular problem we are going to solve the projection of hexagonal pyramid, okay, of side 100 mm and axis length is 150 mm, which is rested on corner of base in HP. So this is very important, it is rested on corner of base in HP, okay. The axis of the pyramid is inclined 45 degrees to HP. So what we are going to do is we are going to draw first hexagon, okay, where right hand side will be a corner, okay. So in the hexagon there are a number of side, the sides is 6, okay. Press enter, then select edge, okay, and draw one. Basically click on snap, okay, draw one hexagon, okay, which is basically rested on the corner, okay. So how we are going to do that? Like this, yes. So again rotate it till you get a corner. So on AutoCAD unit, okay. So now this is basically my hexagon, okay. So dimension is basically a line, okay. I'm going to select it. So here you need to basically, you will face problem in drawing, but you need to rotate it in the clockwise directions, okay. So you can check, this is basically one AutoCAD unit, okay. Go to dimensions again. For your reference I'm doing this. So from this particular point, again from this particular, so this is hexagon of one AutoCAD unit, okay. So you can convert it into cyan color. Then you need to find out basically the center, okay. So how I'm going to do that of this particular pyramid? So you need to join this, again you need to join this, press escape, again from this particular point you need to join this, okay. So because this is rested on the corner of base in HP, so my right hand side will be a corner, okay. Now I got the center, okay. So now I'm going to convert this particular base into 0.30, okay, and the edges will be basically is visible. So I'm going to basically convert this into thick color because my everything will be is going to visible, okay. Now this is my true shape of the base. So now what I'm going to do in the next step, I'm going to project it in the perpendicular direction. So I am going to draw one perpendicular, press escape. From center as well I'm going to draw another projector. From this particular point also I'm going to draw another projector. Here also I'm going to draw a projector, and from this particular point I'm going to draw another, press escape, control J. I'm going to draw another projector, okay, press escape, okay. So this is my base of the pyramid. So I'm going to convert it into thick color so that it should be visible, okay. And now the axis length is given. How much axis length is given? The axis length is 150 mm, okay. So what I'm going to do is basically enter, okay, and from this particular center I'm going to draw, click on snap as well. From this particular center I'm going to select 150 mm. So this is one AutoCAD unit, okay, press escape, right. Now once I got this is basically my axis, okay. So I'm going to escape, I'm going to convert this into hidden line, okay. Further I'm going to unclicking on ortho, I'm going to join all these particular projector all pyramid lines, okay. So from here as well it is going to be joined here. From this particular point it is going to be joined here, okay, and from this particular point it is going to join here, okay. So in the front view I will get various lines, okay. So I'm going to clicking on unsnap, okay, selecting all the lines, okay, and this will be visible to in the front view, right. So I'm going to convert into thick color. Further the axis is also invisible, so but I'm going to mark it, okay. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to convert all these projector lines into cyan color, Further, what I'm going to do is I'm going to give the dimensions, okay, a line from this particular point and this particular point. This is 1.5 AutoCAD, it's converted into CR. So now I'm going to give the naming. The text, selecting any point on the screen, I'm going to select the height is 0.1 and rotation angle is 0. So you can basically monitor according to your convenience. A, B, C, this particular point is D, this particular point is E, and this particular point is EF, right? And this is center is basically O/P. Okay, so I'm zooming it for your reference. So this particular point is my A dash, this particular point is my B dash F dash, this particular point is my P dash, and this particular point is my C dash, E dash, and this particular point is my D dash. Okay, similarly there is apex, so this will be my O dash. Okay, and press escape. Okay, so again I'm writing the text because I need to write in the last text. Okay, so I'm going to select 0.2 and rotation angle is 0. So this is basically my true shape of the base. Okay, this is my true shape of the solid, that is hexagonal pyramid. Okay, this is my X line, this is my Y line, this is my VP. In VP I always draw front view. This is my HP. In HP I always draw top view, right? Now, so I have given, so now the base inclination is given. Okay, how much base inclination is given? Okay, so if you are not able to do that, press Z enter, A enter. Okay, so the axis of the pyramid is inclined 45 degrees to HP. Means axis inclination is given, means I need to rotate the base by how much? I need to rotate the base by 45 degrees. So I am going to select this particular text. Okay, so press escape because all the things should be there. Okay, so I have selected that. I need to copy this, I need to paste this. Okay, and I'm going to place here on the XY line. Okay, correct. Now, okay, so A dash is not copied, so Control C and Control V, and I'm going to place my A dash here. Okay, yeah, press escape. Okay, now what I need to do is basically I need to rotate this particular base, so I'm going to select this. Okay, I need to use the rotate command. Okay, further from which point I need to rotate, so from this particular point I need to rotate, and the angle will be minus 45 degree. Okay, so this is basically my axis inclinations. Okay, so you can check the dimensions, go to angular, select this point and this XY reference line, you can check this is 45 degree. Convert into cyan color. Now the same steps you need to follow. You need to draw the perpendicular projector, click on ortho, right? So from this particular point I'm going to draw horizontal projectors. So I'm going to select the line from this particular point. I'm going to draw one projector, press escape. Similarly from this particular point I'm going to draw another projector line. This particular point I'm going to draw another projector line. On this particular point I'm going to draw another projector line. From this particular point I'm going to draw another projector line, and from apex or vertex I'm going to draw another projector line. Press escape. Similarly here as well I need to draw horizontal projector lines. Okay, press escape. So from this particular point this is also a projector line, from this particular point this is another projector line. Okay, so now I am going to select all the projector lines. Okay, and going to convert this into which color? Cyan color. Okay, press escape. So now the step is I need to mark the points. Okay, I hope it is visible. Okay, selecting the points here. So this is A dash line and this is A line. So this is my 1 point. This is B dash and F dash line. So my this is EF. So F. This is my B. Right. This is my P dash line, so center is basically P, so this is my P. This is my C dash E dash line, so this is my E, this is my C. Okay, this is my O, sorry, yes, this is my D dash line, so this is basically my D, and this is my apex O line, and this is also O line, so this is my particular point O1. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to join all the outer boundaries, clicking on R, I'm clicking on ortho, and I'm going to join outer boundaries. Okay, and then I'm going to join the base as well, but base will be invisible, so just before that what I'm going to do is basically unscape or click on this delete. Okay, so I'm going to make it in a thick color. Okay, so that my outer boundary is correct, right? The next step is I need to join by the base. Okay, so this is my particularly base of the prism. Okay, so I'm going to convert it into hidden line because this is not visible from the top view, or sorry, in the front view. Okay, so it is going to be thick color. Okay, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to give the naming so that it will be easy to join all the lines. Okay, selecting here point 1 and rotation angle is 0. Okay, so this particular point is my A1, this is particular point my B1, this particular point is my C1, this particular point is my D1, this particular point is my E1, this particular point is my F1, and this is basically my O1, and this center is basically my P1, right? Now I need to basically join all the lines. So for your reference, let me check what are the lines available. Okay, so you can check that. Okay, so now it is visible. Okay, yes, this is visible. So from center O or apex vertex there is OF, so I'm going to join OF. So where is OF? Yes, this is particular point O and this is particular point E. Okay, press escape. There is point OA, so I'm going to join OA as well. Okay, press escape. So this is my O, this is my line O1, right? OA. Then OB is also there. OB. Okay, so I'm going to join OB as well. So from the apex, I'm going to join OB. Join. Then OC is already joined. Then OD, where is OD? Here is OD. So already joined, so again I'm joining. Okay, and there is OE, so OE is also joined. So I'm going to convert this particular projector lines into these lines into a thick color. Okay, and now basically this particular also into thick color. Okay, so you can check my hexagonal prism base here, and the apex and vertex is also there. Okay, so this is basically the top view. Okay, so I'm going to write it the text. Select any point on the screen, point 2 and rotation angle is 0. So this is basically my top view of the pyramid. Okay, and this is basically the solution of this particular kind of problem statement. So I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe.